Good morning, children. We are discuss about the topic chemistry in everyday life. Okay. So previous class I sent it cement. Okay, this is a basic topic, no? So I sent this topic. Okay. So you read this topic and write it. I think. Okay. You see. Listen. In ancient period, the houses were constructed using the mixture of lime, sand and wood. Okay, lime means சுண்ணாம்பு. Okay, சாண்டு மணல், வுட்னா மரக்கட்டைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? முன்னாடி காலத்தில் வந்து ஹவுசஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி பில்ட் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் இந்த சுண்ணாம்பு கல், மணல், வுட்டு இதெல்லாம் வச்சு தான் பில்ட் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகேவா? அட் ப்ரெசன்ட் த பீப்புள் ஆர் வைட்லி யூஸ் த சிமெண்ட் ஃபார் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். நவ் we are using the cement for construction. Is there no dams, bridges? They are making bridges and dams. They are using cement. Okay, cement is manufactured by crushing of naturally occurring minerals such as lime, clay, gypsum through milling process. Okay, lime and clay களிமண். Okay, gypsum. These three things are mixed and these three mixing things are called cement. Okay, what are the things? Lime, clay and gypsum. Okay, these three things are mixed and to the three things make a cement. Okay, next one, you see this picture. Cement becomes hardened when it is mixed with water. Yes or no? If you add water in cement, the cement settled solid state. Okay, that is a hardened state. Gypsum plays a very important role in controlling the rate of hardening of the cement. Which one is the hardening substance? Gypsum. Okay, the gypsums added to the cement that hardened things. Okay, that is a hardened things. Then during the cement manufacturing process, a small amount of gypsum is added at the final grading process. So the very small amount of gypsums only added the cement. Okay, why this gypsums is added? It is a setting. It used to setting the cement. Okay, gypsum is added to control the setting of cement. Okay, the cement is set by gypsum. Okay, very important, 1 mark questions. Gypsum is added to control the setting of cement. Okay, so what is meant by cement? The mixing of lime, clay and gypsum. Gypsum is a harder substance. It used to control the setting of cement. Okay, this is a brick. Okay, right. Next, in 1824, Joseph Aspin invented Portland cement by burning finely ground chalk and clay in the kiln. It is named Portland cement. Okay, so who discovered? Joseph Aspin. Cement because it is resembled the high quality building stones found in Portland, England. They are using the Portland cement. Okay, Portland cement is a high quality cement. Portland cement is a high quality cement. Okay, then next one, what are the uses of cement? Cement is used for mortar, concrete and reinforced cement concrete. Okay, these are the uses of cement. First one, mortar. Mortar is a paste of cement. Okay, mortar is a paste of cement and sand mixed with water. என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? சிமெண்ட்டு, சாண்ட்னா மணல் ப்ளஸ் வாட்டர்னா தண்ணி, இது மூணு சேர்ந்த கலவை தான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? மார்ட்டர். இன் ஹவுசஸ் மார்ட்டர் இஸ் யூஸ் டு bind building blocks for constructing walls, apply a coating. Okay, நம்ம வீடு கட்டும்போது செங்கல் வச்சு கட்டிட்டு அதுக்கு கோட்டிங் கொடுப்பாங்கள்ல, சிமெண்ட் பூசுவாங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, அதுதான் கோட்டிங் மார்டர். ஓகே, so constructing walls to apply coating over them to lay floor. Okay, the next one, concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand and gravel. Cement and sand, gravel, these three things are mixed to called concrete. It is used the construction of building, bridges and dams. Concrete போடுறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, மண், என்னென்ன போடுவாங்க, சிமெண்ட்டு, மணல், கிராவல்னால் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் களிமண்ணு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? இதெல்லாம் க்ளேனா தான் களிமண். கிராவல் அப்படிங்கிறது அந்த நுணுங்கின கல்கள்லாம் இருக்கும் பார்த்தீங்களா, அதான் கிராவல். அதெல்லாம் போட்டு என்ன செய்வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் காங்க்ரீட் தயாரிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தயாரித்து என்ன செய்வாங்க, டேம்ஸு, பிரிட்ஜஸ் எல்லாத்துக்கும் போடுவாங்க. சரியா? ஸோ காங்க்ரீட். தென் next one, reinforced cement concrete. Reinforced cement concrete is a composite material by mixing iron mesh with cement. Which one is means iron? Okay, so it is very strong and firm. It is used to construction of dams, bridges, centering works in houses and construction of pillars. Okay, so huge water tanks, water pipes and drainages are built with this. Okay, so reinforced cement is a composite cement. It is used the drainages, pipes and tanks, huge water tanks. These are the places the reinforced cement concrete is used. Okay, then next one, this is a but dams. Okay, dams, water tanks. Okay, then you do this activity, you read this activity and do this activity in your home. Okay, then next one, gypsum. Gypsum is a soft white or grey naturally available mineral. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, then we will discuss next class the gypsum. What are the uses of gypsum, what is meant by gypsum? These are the things we discussed next class. Okay, today homework, what are the uses of cement? Okay, first one mortar, second one concrete, then third one reinforced cement. Okay, these three uses, these three paragraphs you want to read and write and send it to your class teacher. Okay, what is meant by mortar, what is meant by concrete, what is meant by reinforced cement. Okay, so these three things you want to write and send it to your class teacher. Okay, if you read the lessons thoroughly, if you have doubt means you ask me. Okay, thank you children.